Good morning, student. In our last topic, we have studied about physical education and its aim and objective. Career options in physical education, various courses available in India, and skills required for career in physical education. Today, we will study about sports tournament and Khelo India program. Sports tournament. Sports tournament is a series of competitions between a players or team to decide a winner. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and Indian Olympic Association recognize the following sports tournament: Olympic Game, World Cup, a World Championship or World Tournament um, in respective game, and these are organized by International Federation of that of that game. Commonwealth Game, Asian Game, Test Match, One Day, International Match in Cricket, Grand Slam, Davis Cup in Tennis, World University, International Tournament or Game, Asian Federation Cup Tournament, Asian Federation Championship, SAF Game, Asian School Game, International Meet or International Championship. These are conducted by concerned international international organization. National Championship, Interstate Championship. These are organized by the National Federation. All India Inter-University Tournament. These are organized by Association of Indian University. Indian Inter-University Tournament. These are organized by Association of Indian University. Senior Senior Federation Cup, Junior National Federation Cup. These are organized by the federation of, of their respective game. National Championship, National Cup, National Tournament for Senior, Junior. These are organized by the National Federation or National Association or School Game Federation. State Championship, State Championship, State Cup Tournament for Senior, Junior. These are organized by State Sports Federation or State Sports Association. Inter-college tournament. These are organized by Central or State University. District sports tournament. These are organized by District Sports Department or District Sports Association or District Education Department. Inter-school or CBSE clusters, zone tournament or championship. These are organized by Sports Department, District Education Department, CBSE Board, KVS Board. These are some examples of sports tournament which are recognized by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and Indian Olympic Association. Khelo India program. Khelo India program. The importance of sports and fitness in one life is invaluable. Playing sports inculcate team spirit, develop strategics and analytical thinking, leadership skill, social setting, and risk taking. A fit and healthy individual lead to an equally healthy society and strong nation. Khelo India program. Khelo India program is recognized by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Um, playing playing sports include team spirit, develop strategy, analytical thinking, leadership quality, social setting, risk taking ability in an individuals, and make a person fit and healthy. If a person is fit and healthy, it's make the society healthy, and if the society is healthy, it make the nation strong. The Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sports cultures in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports play in our country and enable and establish India as a great sporting nation. Means this Khelo India program has been introduced to restore the sports cultures in India, to restore the sports cultures at a grassroots levels at a base by at a base by building a strong framework for all sports which are played in our country, making the base of the game strong. And if our base is strong, it it establishes it if a base is strong, it make our nation strong. So Khelo India program has been introduced to establish India as a great sport nation by making a game strong at a grassroots level. The talented player identified in priority sports discipline at various level by high power committee will be provided annual financial assistance of rupees 5 lakh per annum for 8 years. Khelo India program identified the talented players mm, identify a talented players and provide Indian 5 lakh per annum for 8 years. The first Khelo India school game, which are part of Khelo India program, were held from 31st January to 8 February 2008 in Delhi, in which athletes of under 17 age were invited to participate across 16 disciplines, which are as follow: archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, and wrestling. The first Khelo India school game was organized in 31st January to 8 Feb 2018 in New Delhi for under 17 age group in which 16 game in which 16 there is 16 game, and this are the 16 game: archery, badminton, athletics, which are included in first Khelo India school game. Objectives of Khelo India. The first objective of Khelo India is playfield development, to find the possible area for development of standardized and safe playfield. Khelo Khelo India program helps to develop standardized and safe playfield. They make standard and safe playfield. Community coaching development, to provide sport coaching for community from experienced player. Khelo India program provide sports coaching from a good coach to the experienced player. State level Khelo India centers, to develop sports hub centers at state level. Khelo India program develop state levels Khelo India centers. Annual sports competition, to encourage and promote sports competition for players. This Khelo India program encourage and promote sports competition for the players. They motivate them, encourage the players to participate in game and sports. Talent search and development, to search new, young, and upcoming talent in sports and provide training to them. Khelo India program provide search the new and young talented players and also provide training to them. Utilization and upgradations of sports infrastructure. To upgrade and utilize the sports infrastructures for sports development, Khelo India program utilize, make use of sports infrastructures for development of sports. Support national, state, regional sports academy to provide financial, technical, developmental supports to national, state, or regional sport academy for sports promotion. Khelo India program provide financial support to the national, state, and regional sports academic so that sports can be so that sports can be improved to promote sports physical fitness of sports children. Khelo India program develop physical fitness of the sports children. Sports for women to encourage and promote women participation in sports. The Khelo India program also encourage, promote, motivate the women to participate in sports. Sports among people with disability to promote and encourage sports among people with disability. Khelo India program also promote and encourage, motivate the peoples who are disabled. Sports for peace to develop and promote atmosphere for sport for promotion of peace, friendship, togetherness, and cooperation in society. By organizing the sports tournament or competitions, we can develop peace, friendship, togetherness, and cooperation in the society. Promoting rulers and indigenous and tribal game to promote and encourage rulers, indigenous, and tribal games. These are the objectives of Khelo India program. Now, let's study our next unit, Unit 2, Olympic Value Education. Olympic Value Education and Olympic movement is related with link between ancient Olympic game with modern Olympic game and helps in the developments of game and sport at various levels, that is in Paralympic, Special Olympic, etc. and also helps in the and also helps to promote physical and moral quality to bring together the athlete of the world in a great coordinal festivals of sports. This Olympic value education is related with ancient Olympic game and modern Olympic game. So let's study about ancient Olympic game. The origin of Olympic game belong to Greece. Ancient Olympic games were participated in prehistoric period and continue for many centuries as Greece festival. The records say that first historic mentioning of game occurred in the year 776 BC. Means ancient Olympic game. This ancient Olympic game is belong to the Greece, and this is the Greece festival and the first ancient Olympic games were held in 776 BC. This game were played in the state of Athens near the valley of Ephesus rivers at Olympiad, and in the first ancient Olympic game were played in the state of Athens near the valley of Olympiad. These ancient Olympic games were held with religious customs in the honors of their god Zeus. Ancient Olympic game is held to honor their god Zeus. The ancient Olympic game, how it is organized. The ceremony of Olympic game began with the new moon day in July after 4 years. ओलंपिक गेम इज हेल्ड आफ्टर एवरी 4 year. हर 4 साल के बाद एंशियन ओलंपिक गेम होता है एंड इट इज स्टार्ट विद द न्यू मून डे इन जुलाई. द इवेंट ऑफ ओलंपिक कंटिन्यू फॉर 5 days और ये 5 दिन के होते हैं. ऑन द फर्स्ट डे सबसे पहले दिन द प्रिस्ट परफॉर्म द रिचुअल्स with grand openings and burn the sacred torch. And on the next day, second days में amphibians means animals game were played. And on the third day, तीसरे दिन there was foot race, delicious chariot race and equestrian exchange, pentathlon, combinations of running, throwing, jumping were performed. And on the fourth day, pugilis, boxing, wrestlings, sword fighting means weapon fightings and other contact games were played. And on the final day, on the fifth day, there is a closing ceremony and the prize were given to the heroes. And the flock of pigeons were sent to all the city of Greece, which carry the name of the champion, name of the heroes. And the prize on that time, the prize given to the winners was crown made of olive leaves. And this Olympic Games came to a sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned the game in the year 394 AD. Means ancient Olympic game. The origin of ancient Olympic game is belong to Greece, and the first ancient Olympic games were held in 776 BC. 776 BC near the valley of Olympiad, and these Olympic games were held in the honors of their god Zeus. And this Olympic game is of 5 days. ये 5 days के होता है and it is begin from new moon day in July. On first day there is a opening ceremony. On the first day there is a opening ceremony, and on the next day, second day, animals games, and third day road horse riding, running, jumping, etc. And on fourth day, contact game like boxing, wrestling, weapon fighting, etc. And on the final day, fifth day, there is a closing ceremony and distribution of prize. And at that time, the prize were given to the winners made of olive leaf. Crown were given to the winners made of olive leaves. And the winner of this game, the name of the winner of this game were sent to all the city of the Greece through pigeon. And this ancient Olympic games came to sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned this game in the year 394 AD. After that, और 394 AD में ये ancient Olympic game came to end. Now, modern Olympic game. The revival of modern Olympic games was undertaken by Baron Pierre de Coubertin nearly 1500 years after the last ancient Olympic game in the year 1896 at Athens. This modern Olympic game was reintroduced by Baron Pierre de Coubertin. This Baron Pierre Coubertin is known as fathers of modern Olympic game, and he is born in Italian family and settled in France. In the Conference of Physical Education on 25 November 1892, he planned the restoration of Olympic game in 1900 at Paris with a motive to strengthen amateur sports to develop everlasting quality for modern education. And in June 1894, the International Conference of Amateur Sports at Paris passed the resolution to create International Olympic Committee to observe the conduct of modern Olympic game. But the zeal of the delegate was so much that they instead the first game to be held in 1896 at Athens. Since then, this game were held after every 4 years. The honor of holding the modern Olympic game is entrusted to the city and not to a country or religion. The choice of the city for the celebration is BIT IOC, means modern Olympic game is introduced by Baron Pierre de Coubertin, and he is known as the father of modern Olympic game. The motive of modern Olympic game is to promote peace and unity within the international community through the medium of sports. Through the medium of sports, and this Baron Pierre de Coubertin belonged to Italian family, and he is settled in France. And the first modern Olympic Games were held in 1896 at Athens. 1896 को first Olympic game organized हुआ in Athens. And IOC, International Olympic Committee was International Olympic Committee observed the conduct of modern Olympic game. And the modern Olympic game, the honors of holding the modern Olympic game, ये modern Olympic game कहाँ पे होगी? This is decided. The choice of deciding the celebration of modern Olympic game is with IOC. International Olympic Committee decide करेगी कि ओलंपिक गेम, नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम कहाँ होगी, एंड ये ओलंपिक गेम कहाँ पे होगी. इट इज गिवन टू अ सिटी, नॉट टू अ कंट्री और रिलीजन. दिस इज अबाउट मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम, एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम एंड मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम. Paralympic sports for athletes with impairment had existed for more than 100 years, and the first sports clubs for the deaf were already in existence in 1888 in Berlin. Paralympic Games is a major international multi-sports event involving athletes with a range of disability, including impaired muscle powers, post-polio syndromes, spin bifida, impaired passive range of movement, limb deficiency, leg length deficiency, short statues, hypertonia, vision impairment, deaf, intellectual impairment, etc. Paralympic Games were organized in parallel with Olympic Games, while the International Olympic Committee recognized Special Olympic World Games include athletes with intellectual disability, and the Deaf Olympics include deaf athletes. And the first Paralympic Games were held in Rome, Italy in 1916. This Paralympic is for the disabled athletes. And the first Paralympic Games were held first Paralympic Games were held in Rome, Italy in 1960. Paralympic Games. There are various type of disability. So this disability are divided into 10 category. International, and these Paralympics were organized in parallel with the Olympic game, और ये Olympic game के पैरेलल्स ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है. एंड इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमिटी रिकॉग्नाइज स्पेशल ओलंपिक वर्ल्ड गेम. Special Olympic World Game. Paralympic is for intellectual disability, and Deaf Olympic is for deaf athletes, hearing impairment athletes. And first Paralympic was held in Rome, Italy in 1960, and this Paralympic is divided into 10 category. uh, Paralympic uh, for disabled person, and their disability is divided into 10 10 category, 10 impairment type. International Paralympic Committee. International Paralympic Committee is a global governing body of the Paralympic movement. जैसे इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी रिकॉग्नाइज ओलंपिक कमिटी, वैसे ही this international paralympic committee is the governing body of the this paralympic movement. And in first and in 2016 Rio Paralympic, there are 22 sports event. 2000 2016 के रियो पैरालंपिक गेम में 2000 स्पोर्ट्स को शामिल किया गया, इन विच दे आर आर्चरी, एथलीट्स, बोस, पैरा कैनन, साइकिलिंग, फुटबॉल, गोल, जूडो, पावर लिफ्टिंग, सैडिंग, शूटिंग, स्विमिंग, टेबल टेनिस, वॉलीबॉल, व्हील चेयर्स, wheel fencing, wheelchair rugby, wheelchair tennis, etc. These are the Paralympic: ancient Olympic, modern Olympic, and Paralympic.